सर आपकी क्लासेस किस टाइम पे होती हैं? 7:30 से 9 बजे सुबह के। It's already such a difficult task for students to manage studies, audit firm, late sittings, and then traveling every day for 60 to 90 minutes to take classes. And then on top of that, managing class clashes is also one of the most difficult tasks for CA students. Advanced auditing is one of the most difficult papers in terms of passing grades. देखिए, पेपर वही मुश्किल होता है जो पास नहीं होता है। मुझे लगता है स्टूडेंट्स इसलिए फेल नहीं होते क्योंकि वो ये नहीं जानते कि क्या लिखना है। I believe students fail because they don't know what not to write. It's equally important. The problem is that students have understood auditing as a very mechanical process. और आजकल के ज़माने में जहाँ auditing बहुत system based, template based होती जा रही है, students fail to understand why they are doing what they are doing. Each step of auditing has a connection with the other. What does it mean when the examiner says, what course of action would you require? Or how would you deal with the situation? Or what steps would you take in this situation? Now these statements are so vague that students literally write whatever they know about auditing. I've taught more than 2,400 students and more than 1,000 students have applied the technique and have cleared the exam successfully. मेरे नज़दीक ड्राफ्टिंग सबसे बड़ा इशू है। मैंने हर क्वेश्चन के लिए डिफरेंट ड्राफ्टिंग टेक्निक्स डिज़ाइन की हैं ताकि स्टूडेंट्स प्रैक्टिस कर सके in a very logically structured manner. By the end of the course, students will be able to precisely know what exactly is examiner expecting from us to write.
The main problem that we all face in audit is that we're able to formulate an answer in our minds, but we're not able to write it properly on paper. They were focused on drafting, they were focused on practice, so that would really help in brainstorming. And that really helped in the exam as well to formulate a thought process and then to formulate how to write it. And yeah.
जो audit process के steps हैं, इनमें क्या linkage है मेरे कोर्स से जो है इसमें जो clarity develop हुई वो बहुत अच्छी रही है।
I believe the best decision I could come up with to pass the audit paper was taking classes from Hasnain Badami. I believe he is an extremely dedicated person, a teacher. His in-depth knowledge of the subject, the rich professional experience, class practice sessions, mock examinations, real-life practical scenarios, all contributed in passing this paper very smoothly.
मेरा अपना ये ख्याल है कि जो क्वेश्चन बैंक्स है वो बहुत कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव है। वो इस वजह से कि उसमें CA, ICAEW और ACCA के डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स के बिगनर लेवल से लेकर एक मैच्योर एक्सपीरियंस लेवल तक के क्वेश्चंस को कवर कर रहे होते हैं।
You can study auditing anywhere, anytime. No dirty class clashes, zero traveling cost and time, and above all, good comprehensive coverage of standards and ICAP past papers. ये सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन हमारे brilliant questions का क्या होगा? I will do a live webinar session every 2 weeks so that I can cater all your queries. दिन में 90 मिनट बचते हैं और हफ्ते में 3 दिन क्लासेस होती हैं तो 270 मिनट। इसका मतलब 4.5 घंटे हफ्ते के, महीने के 18 घंटे और 6 महीने के 108 घंटे। यार मैं 3 की जगह 4 पेपर क्यों नहीं दूं भाई?